So I wanted to help you essentially make a relative frequency histogram. And a relative frequency histogram of a particular given relative frequency distribution that we have here. So this is one we worked on in class, the Everglades temperatures, and we created the relative frequency distribution here. So, and this is the distribution. So if I select that distribution just by left clicking and bringing down my mouse, I go to insert and I want to make the histogram. So a histogram is a column chart without any spaces. So let's select a column chart. I'm going to select a column chart and I'm going to move this out of the way. So it's already made it with a nice distribution. This is what we wanted to see with our percentages over here. So it's good, but so there's a problem. There's a problem in this x-axis is not what we wanted it to be. So to fix that, we can select the chart, right click and select data. If we do that, then what I want is I really want the horizontal axis to be changed. So I want to edit my horizontal axis. And this is letting me choose which axis I want. So now coming over here, I can select my lower bound data. Again, we can use the midpoint and have it right in the middle there, but it kind of looks weird when we're using the midpoint as 25.5. So I like using the lower bound as it. So let's hit OK, and that's the data I selected. So if we notice it's already selected the right data. So we're done with that. So click OK. And oh, I really hate these things. I don't know. If I had more than one data on the same thing, then yes, it would be useful, but I only have one. And so there's our relative frequency histogram. I could get a little fancy or something like that and put this on there, maybe a chart title like relative frequency histogram or temperatures of the Everglades, temperature of Everglades. So, and that came back, so let me click on that and get rid of that. So there's my relative frequency. This is a bar chart, not a histogram. I need the histogram because this is continuous data, and I really want a histogram here. So to do that, to get rid of the spaces, we right-click again, and we format series. If I format series, right on the front, series options, there's gap width, and I want no gap. And we close. And there it is. There's my histogram. I can get even a little fancier if I right click again. Maybe I can create some borders, whatever color I want. Maybe I want purple. I don't know. And then I have some borders to really see the definition of the bars there. So that's it. Relative frequency histogram. I hope this helped. Thanks.